I've often said there was a stultification in theoretical physics starting in, let's say, the 1920s, and it still hasn't fully dissipated. If it wasn't for that, quantum computers would have been invented in the 1930s and built in the 1960s. So that is just an accidental fact, but it just goes to show that there are no guarantees. The fact that our horizons are unlimited does not guarantee that we will get anywhere, that we won't start declining tomorrow. I don't think we are currently declining. I think these declines that we see are parochial effects caused by specific mistakes that have been made and which can be undone.